Hey there everybody, KP here. I'm going to start calling these videos gas station reviews because I picked these up at a local gas station. And these could be used as everyday preps, EDC, whatever you want to call it. I'm interested because it seems like there's a laser coming out of here, but it doesn't say anything about a laser. And here's an American flag propane lighter. Don't get me wrong, I got a trusty Zippo I use every day. So let's check out the Roughneck laser pointer flashlight. It already comes with 3 AAA batteries, travel strap included, super bright COB LED, 100 lumens, improvised laser, soft touch coated, built for life. There's also a warning on here about it, everything like that. It's made here in the, look at that. It's designed for the USA, but made in China. And there's a big warning. Let's focus. Laser, radiation, avoid direct eye exposure and all that. So it does say that there's a laser in there. And just your regular old propane lighter. But anyway, I've had Roughneck reviews before. Never had no problems out of them. Most of them ended up in my son's hands, who's 10. And yeah, he enjoys them. So let's see with this flashlight. Okay, I got it out the packaging. Got your little lanyard there. The name of the company. All the LEDs. I'm guessing the center point is the laser. Nice rubber coating. Push button. So there it is. So there is, you press it once and make the light come on. Press it again, turn it off. Press it a third time and the laser comes on. Pretty cool. Nice little rubberized coating. Big old button to press. Little lanyard. I'm not going to shine this at my phone because 100 lumens is kind of bright. But as you can see, the difference between the flashlight and it being off, and then the laser. Really cool flashlight. Comes in handy, and it can also help pinpoint things to other people. Good little flashlight. Now we got a little patriotic lighter and everything, and easy to work. Just lift it up like that. It's rechargeable from right there. You just gotta turn it a little bit so you can recharge it with your propane, with your little butane lighter, propane, whatever it is. I'm not really sure. I think it's butane. It's made by a company called Eagle. My eyes are bad. I can't really see what's underneath it written in blue, but yeah, really cool lighter. Eagle torch. It's got a little better feel to open it compared to my Zippo, but I always trust my Zippo. So I got these 2 items. This was $4.99 at a gas station. This was $3.99. Not bad. Pretty good little preps. Put it in your EDC and you're good to go. Hit down in the comments what you think about these 2 products. And I'll see you on the next one. Later. Hey everybody, KP back again with the follow-up of the flashlight I did a review on. That is a solar powered light. It's on dim right now because there's no motion. See how I got brighter? That just goes to show you how dark it is out here. Couldn't even see the bike. Wait for that light to kick off.
Yeah, man, just drop the stick.
Takes a little bit. Alright, now the solar light went off. This is the flashlight I did a review of earlier today. And as you can see, lights up pretty good. Go ahead and turn it off. Seriously?
What?
Now that the sun's out the way, here's the laser. As you can see, the laser's real good in the dark. I'll show you how it looks with smoke. As you can see here, we got a fire going. That's the flashlight. See how bright it is? Flashlight's off. There's the laser.
The light. Okay.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, yeah. It reminds me of Call of Duty.
So, this flashlight works pretty good. I recommend it. Good cheap prep. Good to go. Not bad for $4.99. A flashlight and a laser.